Holiday fun fact number 3. A favorite tradition for many this time of year is watching the Nutcracker Ballet. Its popularity as a holiday tradition is largely thanks to an amazing woman from history, Maria Tallchief. She was the first prima ballerina in America. Her spirited and flawless portrayal of the Sugar Plum Fairy in the 1940s and 50s in New York City so captivated audiences that it was constantly sold out. Tallchief spent the second half of her life influencing dance right here in Chicago. And thanks to her, the Nutcracker is now an essential part of the holiday season. Chicago's Joffrey Ballet Company has a tradition of performing it with an 1893 World's Fair theme. Thank you, Lauren, for the wonderful introduction. I am Amanda here with Chicago Detours. We're going to be exploring the architecture and the history of Chicago today on our walk. Thank you so much to United Healthcare for sponsoring our special event. We designed this event to really give you a feel for what it would be like to be walking on the streets of Chicago. So that means that we may have some unexpected sounds or people that we'll see. It's all part of the fun. So I will be available in the chat to answer all of your questions today too. I'll be there live. So without further ado, let's go. Along the Riverwalk, you can get a glass of wine, you can get a cappuccino, a gelato, there's live music. And the city is also dedicated to showing off the diversity of our neighborhood, so there are going to be some new vendors too that really show off small businesses here in Chicago.